Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it okay to exfoliate every day? Exfoliating every day can strip the skin of its natural oils and cause irritation. If you exfoliate daily, you're likely to take off healthy cells, too, which can leave skin looking red and feeling sore.
Let's help you make your mark.
Excessive scrubbing and rubbing as well as exfoliating can damage the skin, so one should not do so on a daily basis unless using an extremely mild homemade scrub, she states. While scrubs are said to slough off dead and dry skin, we often overdo that.
Take our lead.
How to do a full-body exfoliation at home. Step 1. Apply a Luxe body oil to your skin. I go into a few favorites in the section below. Step 2. Dry brush. Step 3. Shower and scrub. Step 4. Rinse. Step 5. Apply a salicylic acid body wash. Step 6. Moisturize.
Take our lead.
Over-exfoliation may have the opposite effect of beautifying your skin. This can come from either exfoliating too often or scrubbing too hard. This can remove too much skin, causing dryness or irritation. Exfoliating creams should be kept away from children.
Take our lead.
Adult skin that's not regularly exfoliated may experience acne and more rapid visible aging. It is often not very vibrant in tone, and easily becomes clogged with dirt, excess oil, and dead skin cells. Blackheads are also more likely to occur.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The easiest way to exfoliate your arms and legs is with a brush, sponge, or glove. This can help get rid of dead skin cells and stimulate circulation. Look for a body scrub at your local pharmacy or online and lather with it in the shower. You can also try dry brushing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.